Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a pink eye look with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I am trying to use only one palette for one look. I recently just found myself not wanting to reach for multiple palettes just for one eye look. I mean, if you travel, that's very unpractical to pack several palettes, right? Anyway, I started off with the shade Hell Right and Still Shot in my crease. I blended these two shades into my crease and added pigment at time, as always. Do let me know, how are you? Is everything alright? I mean, we've been in quarantine for what? Almost 3 months now? I mean, finally, in my country, we're back allowed to meeting friends and family, which is very nice. But I noticed something, and here comes my conspiracy theory. Wait for it. Ever since we're allowed back outside, the weather has been crazy. It's been hailing, raining all day, and I think this is a trick. It's a trick to keep us inside. Dum dum dum. Yeah, I know, right? Crazy. No, but jokes aside, the weather is crazy right now. But lucky me, I am occupied with university all day and all night, so I don't have time to go outside, so I'm not bothered by the weather. Yay! I then added the shade Punk into my crease to deepen up the look. But yeah, let me know. How are things in your country? I then went ahead and applied the shade Wild Heart onto my lid. Recently I started playing League of Legends, so if you're also a gamer, please drop your name below in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. I then spritzed my brush with some setting spray and again picked up the shade Wild Heart. This again helps to intensify the pigment. Same with using your fingers. Maybe you will notice that I did a different eye look on my other eye, and that is because my battery died midway through and it had to be recharged. So while charging, I did another look for my Instagram, which you should follow me on. Same spelling as here, TheDyleila. Every follow is highly appreciated as always, and yeah. That is why in the next few minutes you see a different look on my eyes. Also, as you can see in the end, I did in fact use my fingers as always. Wouldn't be me if I would not use my fingers. Before moving on to eyeliner, I also applied the shade Punk and Hell Right onto my lower lash line. And I also threw in the shade Still Short just to blend it all together. And I applied some more. Then I went on to applying my eye pencil. This is the shade Life in Pink from Essence. It's their long-lasting eye pencil. I really like those. They're creamy and, you know, they're nice. I then went on and did my eyeliner, and that did not went well. This is the magnetic eyeliner from Odell, which I did a review I think 2 videos ago, and I'm not sure if you're able to tell, but this stuff is so sticky. It is so difficult to draw a continuous line. I was so annoyed. I then used my liquid liner to perfect the line. I still wasn't happy with it, but meh. You gotta work with what you got. I added mascara and inner corner highlight, you guessed it. I also threw on some brows and we're done. I really hope you like the look. Simple, Maybe not for every day, but still fun. So maybe consider subscribing. Goodbye, see you in my next video. Thank you.